Mad sila, sugra and kubra, mad sila, sugra, mad sila, kubra, is when you have the ha, the pronoun ha, the ha, the mir, which refers to he, like you say, kitabu hu, which is kitabu huwa, his book, and kitabi he, and it also means his book. The hu and the he is short for huwa, which means his. So you have that, and the letter before it has a harakah, letter after it has a harakah, then you have an extension for it, an extension on it. And then what happens if you have a regular letter after it, they call it matsila sugra, when you make it two harakat. If there's a hamza after it, then you make it longer, the same length as mad jaiz munfasil, 4 to 5 harakat in Hafs al-Asim, Tariqa Shatibiyya. So that's what they have. Now what happens is there's some exceptions to the rule of the mad sila, and the first exception is in Surah Zumar, and it says, "Wa in tashkuru yardahu lakum." So normally speaking, this he, yardahu, please with him, it's short for huwa, and the letter before it has a harakah, the letter after it has a harakah. So normally speaking, there would be an extension here, but this one, it's not there. In Hafs and Asim, they don't say it in this particular ayat. They say in tashkuru yardahu lakum. They don't make it longer. Normally speaking, yardahu would be the case. And the second exception is وَيَخْلُدْ فِيهِ muhana. And this one over here, you have the ha dhamir here in it, that's short for huwa, but the letter before it is a ya, it's not a harakah, so normally speaking, you wouldn't have the mud here, the mud sila over here, but because this one there's an exception, there still is the mud sila over here. So they would say, وَيَخْلُدْ فِيهِ muhana, with the exception to the mud sila rule that you have. The other exception is when you have the word hadihi. Hada means this, masculine in Arabic, and hadihi means this, feminine in Arabic. And this hadihi, the ha there is not the referred to for the ha kinai. It's not the pronoun ha, but it still follows the rule of the matsila. If the letter after it has a harakah, letter before it has a harakah, then also you find that the ha over here is extended as well. Like for example, inna hadihi tadhkira, inna hadihi tadhkira. So you have hadi and then he over here, and then you'll see that there's they'll write a little ya in the mushaf to indicate that there is the matsila in this place over here. So that's the other time that you have the exception, or the addition to the matsila. You could say that, not really exception, but you say in addition to the rules of the matsila. And Allah knows best, and may peace and blessings be upon Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.